Hi chaps, John here at Microaces and welcome to the Microaces workshop. I've got a little bit of news for you. Now, some of you may already know that the FAI World Scale Championships are being held in the UK this year, and the BMFA, the British Model Flying Association, and Microaces have come up with a commemorative model of a scale model of a scale model, if you like, to celebrate the fact that the competition is back in the UK after, I don't know, well, the last time it was held in the UK was 1978, so it's been quite a while because I was a very small child at the time, so and I didn't attend and I didn't fly, but obviously the model that we have created is a scale model of a scale model that was flown in 2004, and it was created and flown by a wonderful chap called Mike Goldby. Now, Mike unfortunately is no longer with us, but his legacy lives on because he was instrumental in getting the competition back to the UK as a member of the BMFA back in the early noughties. He put together a plan of the proposal to get the competition into the UK, and a good deal of that was used to actually get apply for the competition to get it here in 2026. So it was absolutely only right to create a model of one of his competition entries, and here it is. So this is a scale model of a scale model. Technically, it's a 1/6 scale model. And as many of you will know, if you know Microaces, we tend to stick around the 1/24 to 1/20 scale. But of course, at 1/6, when the initial kit that was flown, the initial aircraft that was flown was 1/4 scale, which means that this is actually 1/24 scale. So that was a long-winded way of telling you that it is still 1/24 scale. Here we have the Sopwith PUP with the exact tail number and livery that Mike had created for his quarter scale, and he also flew with the added excitement of Le Prieur rockets, which we have replicated here on the PUP as well. So this is our replica kit. It also has a spinning rotary, which is absolutely fantastic, as do all our rotary engine kits. And it is powered by a little brushed and geared motor, and you can pop a tiny little receiver that we do inside this as well, which controls the tail feathers, and it actually allows you to fly indoors and outdoors. And there's a little video that I'll show you a little later in this video. I'll probably tag on the end of this this particular aircraft flying in the park outdoors that I took last weekend, I believe. Anyway, I have thanks to give to a number of people for this kit. Firstly, to Simon, and I'm sorry, Simon, but I'm going to absolutely destroy your surname. Vaitkevicius, I believe. I'm sorry if I got that so badly wrong, but it's a difficult surname to say. Simon actually came to visit us a few months ago, and he floated the idea, and it all kind of snowballed from that. And also for the chairman of the BMFA, Ian Pallister, who came up with some fabulous words that we've put into a sheet that goes into the kit as well. It's a decent piece of card that's been properly printed, that gives much more detail about Mike's involvement and his friendship with Ian, and all that good stuff as well. So you can get to see why this particular aircraft was chosen. Now, the competition itself is being held in Buckminster, which is the home of the BMFA. They've got a fabulous site up there where all of the competitors, I believe they've got 100+ competitors going from all around the globe, which is absolutely fantastic and should be an absolutely magnificent event. You can actually go, it's a ticketed event, so you have to buy a ticket beforehand, but you can certainly go. They have day passes and you can go and see all of the action that's going on up there. If you are local to that area, you're visiting, or you want to make a trip of it. And they also have some camping sites as well, a camping site there too, so you can stay for a few days and go and visit other places in the area too. I'll put a QR code on screen now. If you scan that, you can actually go straight to the ticketing system and choose what you want to do. And also I'll put a link in the video description and maybe in the comments for getting there too. So absolutely fabulous event that certainly would welcome your support. The tickets for day tickets are pretty inexpensive. I think they're £10 a head, so very much worth it, and certainly a great deal of entertainment for the money. So this kit is now available on our website. You can go to the link in the comments, and that'll take you to the kit itself. You can order it directly and we will send it out. We're probably another 2 weeks away from actually delivery, but the kit itself has been designed. We've manufactured it. We need to cut it and box it and send it out. Alternatively, if you are not in the UK, or if you're in the UK and you're visiting the BMFA and the competition itself, we're delivering a whole load of units up there, so you can buy while you're there, or you can actually ask for it to be delivered to the Bedminster site. The Buckminster site, and then you can pick it up when you're at the competition. So if you are a competitor and you'd like to have one of these kits, you want to get the order in early, then do. And when you are at the checkout, there is an option for collection. So just take that one and you won't be charged for delivery. But of course we will deliver anywhere in the world as well. So if you wanted one of these, just because it's a beautiful kit, then please do so. Or alternatively, we will very soon have up on the website Le Prieur rocket kit, so you can actually upgrade your existing Sopwith PUP if you have one of the Microaces Sopwith PUPs in your collection, or you can obviously buy the kit with an alternative Sopwith PUP kit that we have on the website. So there we go. That's it. I think I've given you everything. Yep, that's your lot. So do go and have a look at the kit. Please, if you'd like to find out a little bit more about Mike's contribution to the BMFA and getting the international world competition for scale flyers to the UK, then there's more information on the website. There's even more information when you buy the kit. But thank you very much for listening, and here's the video of it flying.